comes with a box. Gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng, ng damit from Balma. Oh my gosh! Oh. Hey there mga tropa! Welcome back to another vlog. It's been a while. Yes, medyo preoccupied tayo lately. And so, we weren't able to upload and do vlogs. Pero this time, eto na, nagbabalik na naman po muli ang inyong tropa for a vlog. Yes, and this time, as you can see, I am surrounded with a lot of paper bags here because as you all know, I just celebrated my birthday. Yes, another chapter of my life unfolds. Oh, tumatanda na po ang tropa ninyo, and so I'm already out of the calendar, but nonetheless, I'm still happy and proud of what I have become over the years. And so for today's video, I'm going to show you, unbox these gifts that I have received from my friends and loved ones. Ayan, so gusto ko na naman i-flex yung mga regalo nila sa akin for today's video. But before that, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell for you to be updated on my next upcoming uploads. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. But before anything else, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga friends ko who greeted me on the day of my birthday. Ayan, at sa mga friends ko na pumunta rin on the post-birthday celebration that I arranged. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa inyo guys. You made me feel so loved, not just because of your presence but also because of your gifts. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ayan, so sisimulan ko na pong i-unbox ng mga regalo na natanggap ko. Ayan, so let's start with the small one. So this one is a Sephora. So, tingnan natin kung anong, oh my gosh. So they gave me, ayan, this is the Ordinary Hair Care Serum. Wow. So I'm actually using this one already. So I don't know who this came from. Wala kasi siyang nilagay na pangalan. Gusto niya maging anonymous. Gusto niya maging discreet, guys. Ayaw niya magsabi kung kanino to galing. Pero this is the Ordinary Hair Care. So I've been using this one already. So my friend who gave me probably knows already that I'm using this one. So kaya niya ako binigyan ng ganito. Okay? So this is very effective because as you all know, over the past years, I've had hair loss, right? And this is one of the serum that helped me regain my hair. Ayan, so this is highly recommended if you want to try. This is very effective. And he also gave me here another facial serum. Okay, so I'm also using the Ordinary Facial Serum. So, ayan, so he gave me one as well. And there's also one here. What is this? Oh, so he gave me this is a concealer, small concealer. Siguro alam niya, siguro na marami tayong mga gusto i-conceal sa face natin. That's why he or she gave me this one. So kung sino ka man na nagbigay nito, maraming salamat sa'yo. Hindi ko na kinakailangan mag-order ng serum because you know guys, it's very expensive. Ayan, so thank you. Ayan, kung sino ka man, maraming salamat dito. Ayan. Sunod naman natin itong paper bag na to. So it says here, happy birthday, Randy with a triple heart. Ayan, so love. Thank you. I think this one came from Ate Arlene's family, Labugan family. Ayan, so thank you Ate. You're so thoughtful talaga. So I really love you. Ayan, so let's open this. Oh my gosh, what's this? So, alam niyo naman yung Labugan family, one of my friends here in Qatar. Ayan. So, si ate, kung yun sa picture ng mga in-uploads ko, if you're following me on my social media, siya yung my baby, si Baby Lara. Di ba cute? Wow! Oh my gosh! They gave me some shirt. Nike shirt. Wow. Thank you, ate. So you gave me this one. And not just one, okay? But he also gave me another color. Wow. Thank you. And so si Ate Arlene pala guys is an online seller here in Qatar. So if you wanted to order some apparels like this, you can follow her account, which is the Best Fashion Qatar. Ayan. So, nood-nood po kayo ng mga lives niya. So, nag-online sell po sila ng maraming mga damit for female and for male as well. So, thank you ate for this one. And not just two, right? Meron pa pong laman yung kanyang regalo sa akin, which is, oh my God, alam na alam talaga ni ate. Kasi sabi niya sa akin, yung gift mo, para mas lalo ka pang gumanda. Sabi niya, so he gave me a beauty milk collagen drink. So, I've been using this one already. And she knows that one because I told her last time we met that I've been using this. And then, so, niregaluhan niya tayo guys ng beauty milk. So thank you naman ate. Oh, hindi ko na kinakailangan mag-order ulit. You know what guys, this is the perks of having a birthday. And he also gave me glutathione drink. Oh! Wow! Masala kong gaganda nito. Masala tayong babata dahil sa regalo ni Ate Arlene. Ayan. So, alam nyo guys, ito talaga yung perks ng ng pag-birthday mo. Because they gave you gifts that alam nila na ginagamit mo na. Kaya ikaw, nakakatipid siya kasi hindi mo lang kailangan bumili, di ba? So, thank you naman ate for your gifts. I so love it. Ayan, napaka-thoughtful. Thank you po. Ayan. So, ang saya ko. Bawas sa gastos, bawas sa hindi na kailangan bumili na papaganda. Ayan. So, nakakadalawa na tayo, guys. Next will be this one or this one. Let's try this one. Okay. So this is from Adidas. Okay. So wala siyang nakalagay na sulat. Wala na naman po nilagay. Gusto na naman po maging anonymous ng sender. Ay, sender. Gusto na naman po maging anonymous ng ating friend na nagbigay nito. Ay, wow naman. So he gave me an Adidas shirt.
Wow.
Ayan, wow. So classic. Ako kasi mahilig ako sa mga classic talaga. Classic shirt. So, kung napapansin nyo, I always, siguro itong friend ko to lagi niya napapansin that I always wore black clothes. Ito nyo naman, ngayon palang suot ko na naman black, diba? So, itong regalo din niya sa atin is a black Adidas shirt. And wala lang, kasi gusto ko lang pong itago yung mga bilbil ko. Kaya gusto ko po nagsusuot ng mga colored black dress or clothes. Ayan. So, it's so cute. Wow. So, size medium. So, which is perfect. Kasi, ang size ko po, usually nag-range lang po siya sa medium and large. Ayan. Kasi minsan kapag tumataba ako, nagpapapayat agad ako agad. Ayan. So, may mga time kasi na tumataba ako. Oh, cute. Amoy bago. So, thank you naman. Kung sino ka na naman ulit. At ulit ka na naman naglagay ng pangalan. Ayan. So, nakakatatlo na po tayo. So, next naman natin ngayon, guys. Ayan, so mamimili lang ako. Nahihirapan ako mamili. Ayan, so, try naman natin to. This is from Bershka. Ayan, so this is Bershka. Oh, may note, Gusto ko yun. Ito, ayaw niya maging anonymous. Ayaw niya maging discreet. Meron siyang pa-notes. Ayan, so, to Randy, happy birthday and God bless from Pretty Sarah. So, kilala niyo naman na siguro si Sarah, di ba? Talaga namang pretty si ate. Di ba? Ayan, may pa-note po siya. So let's open. So I'm feeling ko this is clothes again. From the feel of it. Ayan. So, oh my God. Parang papahirapan pa ako ni Ateng. Ayan. So na-excite naman ako sa regalo. Kilala niyo na naman itong mga friends kong to, diba? She is part of the organics. Ayan. So, Sarah Salas. The cousin of Paul Salas. Yes. Isa po siyang artista. Diba? Artistahin. Ayan. So, let's open it up. Ay! Oh my gosh. Na-excite ako, no? Gusto ko na nabubukas ng mga regalo. Nakaka-excite. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow! Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Wow! This is a see-through clothes. Diba? Perfect siya for winter and summer. Ang ganda. So, size medium. It's perfect for me. So, thank you naman, Pretty Sarah, for this gift. I love it. Oh my God. So, button down po siya. Ayan. So, pwede mo na siya tanggalin. So, pwede mo siyang patungan something inside. Pwede ka maglagay ng ano dito. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng like a shirt or a sando. Or pwede rin naman siyang ano, diba? Kung gusto mo ipakita yung mga parts ng katawan mo like that. So, pwede mo siyang suotin. Kasi makikita talaga yung nipples ko. Ang arte, diba? Ayan. So, ang cute lang. Thank you, girl. I love this gift. Ayan. So, thank you naman. So, let's go to the next one. So, diyan ka muna, sis. Next natin, this one. Zara. So, this is from Zara. So, this is probably from... I think this one is from my friend RJ. Kasi wala siyang nilagay na parang nabot lang niya sa akin. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung gift ni Bakla. Ayan. So, RJ is part of my, my Q team. Ayan. So, we were friends since we were in the Philippines. Ayan. So, workmates po kami sa Pilipinas. Ayan. And so, let's see what she gave me. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Oh my gosh! Ay! Oh my gosh! Ano ba? Ang hilig nila sa black. alam nila yung color ko. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow! This is a white leg pants. I like this. Oh my gosh. Ang cute. Mas lalo naman akong gaganda nito. May pang ano na naman ako. Pang forms na naman ako. Oh my God, ang cute. Thank you, sis. Tingnan muna natin kung kasya sa ating leeg. Ay, sakto. Oh my gosh. Thank you, girl. Sa regalo. Ayan. Bago, sis. Next would be for Zara. Let's go to Adidas. Why don't we try this one here at the back? Another Adidas. Oh my gosh. Inuulan tayo ng Adidas, baka naman. Gawin nyo kaming sponsor. Ayan, so buksan natin to. Ay, medyo may paano si ate. May pa-tape si ate. Kanino to galing? Wala siya nilagay na pangalan. Ito mga friends ko ayaw maglagay ng mga pangalan. Gusto na nag-aabot na lang. Ayaw magpa-mention. Kasi alam nila siguro yung vlog ko to. Ayaw nila na mention yung mga pangalan nila. Masyado silang pa-discreet. Ay! It comes with a box. So, isa lang ang ibig sabihin nun mga tropa. This is, hulaan nyo. May box siya. Matigas. Ay, matigas. Gusto yun ni Akla. Matigas. Ayan. So, isa po siya. For sure, this is a shoes because it's in a shoe box. Pero, let's not expect too much. Yes. This is a shoes, mga tropa. And this is, wow, this is a running shoes. My God, alam nila na nag-gym ako. Nag-gym. Ang cute. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh. Ang ganda. Walang presyo, inalis. Thank you. Kung sino ka mang nagbigay, sino ka ba nag-abot nito sa akin? My gosh, I can't remember. Sobrang dami nilang inabot. Ayan, so thank you naman po. Sa gift, mayroon na akong pang gym na bago. Siguro nakikita niya yung mga stories ko last time na nag-gym ako. Kunyari. Ayan, so next naman natin this one. We have here another Zara. Diba kung napapansin nyo puro Zara, Adidas, mga ganyan yung ano. Kasi alam na ata nila yung mga favorite brands ko ng damit at saka mga gamit. So hindi na po natin kakapagtaka. Kasi mga friends ko, talagang kilala nila ako, diba? Diyan mo masasabi na talaga your friends are really, your friends because they know you well. Ayan. Oh, may note naman siya dito. Ayan, kita niya naman yan. To Randy, happy birthday and God bless you more. Simple yet, malaman, diba? Love, Paula. Oh, ayan. So, kilala nyo naman siguro si Paula. No need to, give an introduction. Siya lang naman yung isa sa mga pinaka-sexy at saka pinakamaganda kong friend. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ayan. So, siya sa mga naging influencer ko sa pagiging fashionista. Kung alam nyo lang. Tingnan natin kung ano binigay niya, bakula. Oh my gosh! I've been spotting this one, I think, in Zara the last time. And he gave me this. Ang cute! I don't have with me yellow, a yellow polo. Pero ang ganda. Yun yung medium again. Alam na alam talaga yung size ko. Ang cute. Ang inalis ni Akla ang presyo. Ayaw magpasabi. Ayaw mag-reveal ng presyo ni Bakla. Ay, ang cute. Gusto ko to. Mas lalo kong puputi dito. Oh my gosh. Kilig. Ayan, so thank you naman, Pretty Pal. Ayan, Sexy Pal. Thank you naman sa regalo. Amoy bago. Huwag kayo. Ayan, so another. Oh my gosh, ano maunahin ka dito? I only have 3 left. And let's go with this one. Another Zara. Ayan, so this one I think came from Hiko. Ayan, so my best friend Hiko. Ayan, so let's see. So ano bigay sa atin ni Beshi? Alam na niya kung paano maglagay ng kung paano magbalat ng regalo na hindi makikita yung laban. So, ako ata nagturo sa kanila. Oh my gosh! 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 I so love it! Oh my god! Oh, this is for winter! Ang cute! Ayan it's like a chaleco na Oh my god, pang winter. Ang ganda. Wow! Thank you, Beshi. May magagamit ako if I travel abroad. Travel abroad! Alam na alam. May po kasi ako mag-travel, diba? So I've been starting from last year traveling around. Kasi hindi na po tayo bumabata. Ayan, so kung as much as possible, gusto ko pong i-enjoy habang bata pa ako. Mag-travel around the world. Around the world? Why not? Diba? Hanggat bata ka pa, hanggat kaya mo pa, go for the gold. Ayan. Go keep on achieving your dreams. Okay? Huwag na huwag ka mawawalan ng pag-asa. Kung kaya ng iba, syempre kaya din natin yun. Kaya ko rin yun. Ayan. Basta, kinakailangan lang na determinado ka at talagang andun yung, andun yung pagpupursige mo na abutin yun at na-push yung dreams mo na yun. So, basta you should have faith. Dapat lang talaga laging mag-ipon. Yun yung number 1 na kailangan natin mag-ipon, guys. Oh my god, thank you, Beshi. I love this. I can use this when I go to secret muna. Ayaw ko muna i-reveal. Tsaka watch out for that one. Ayan, so nakakadami na ako ng oh my god, ang cute. So, let's go with this one. So, this one, wala na naman po siyang pangalan. Ayaw na naman po mag-sample ng kanina. Pero mabigat po siya. So, alam na, kapag mabigat, isa lang ibig sabihin nun. Mabigat ang laman. Ayan, so tingnan po natin. Nakakatuwa mag-unbox. Sana lagi yung birthday para lagi ako nagbubukas ng regalo. Oh my gosh, another box of shoes. I'm saying another box of shoes here, guys. So, kita nyo naman yan. Oh my gosh, another box of shoes is here. Oh, so what's inside? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is, oh my gosh, this is the Adidas Samba edition.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I've been wanting this one. Ang ganda. The original one, the OG, Samba OG, the black and white with the slight of gray in front. Ayan, so online seller. Kung sino ka man, maraming salamat dito. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh, what's the size? I hope it fits me. Yeah, just perfect. 4 to 20. Aww. may gamit na naman ako. May baga na naman akong, may dalawa na tayong shoes. Meron tayong pang running shoes at meron tayong pang forma. Diba? Napaka-generous ng mga friends ko, diba? Sana all. I love you, friends. I love you, loved ones. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa mga regalo. And as you can see, I have here with me one left, which is a Balman. So this one naman, this is a gift from myself. Ayan. So galing naman siya sa sarili ko. Siyempre, hindi naman nawawala na kailangan ko niregaluhan yung sarili ko. It's like already, parang panata ko na yun na every birthday ko, lagi kong binibilan yung sarili ko of something that I really wanted, na parang matagal ko nang gusto magkaroon, na hindi pa ako nagkakaroon. And so, this one is one of the, naman, a signature brand na medyo pricey. Ayan. So, ayoko nang bagitin yung presyo. Pero, gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng damit from Balmain. And so, I bought myself one. So, I bought with me, syempre alam nyo naman na favorite color. Hindi ko na kinakalang bagitin. I bought with me a black t-shirt from Balmain. Ayan, so, alam niyo naman ako, sabi ko nga, diba, gusto kong tinatago yung tabako sa katawan. Kaya naman, ito lang po naman yung binili ko para sa sarili ko, diba? Siguro deserve ko naman to, diba? Deserve ko to! Kaka-deserve mo yan, sis! Tuloy, naubusan ka ng pera. Ayan, so, pinag-ipon ako naman po to, guys. Hindi ko naman po siya tipong nagwaldas lang ng magwaldas. Ayan, so, matagal-tagal ko rin pong pinag-ipunan to. It's so fulfilling na yung mga dating pinapangarap mo lang, mga bagay na dati pinapangarap lang natin. E ngayon nakakamit ko na po siya, nabibili ko na po siya. So which is I'm very thankful for, kasi alam niyo yun, dati nung bata pa ako, lahat ng mga to hindi ko po siya kayang bilhin, or even my family weren't able to give me gifts during my birthday. And that's why I really made sure na nung palaki na ako, talagang sinabi ko na magpupursige ako mag-aral, and that I wanted to be a better version of myself. So I wanted to be able to buy things that I love, buy things that I want, not just for myself, but also for my family. Ayan. So, kung kayo, katulad ko rin na dati, nangangarap, wag po kayong mauubusan ng pangarap. Okay? Just make those dreams be the driving force for you to succeed more, or to push harder in keeping your dreams. Ayan, in achieving your dreams. Ayan. So, wag po kayo mawawalan ng pag-asa. As long as you have God with you, everything is possible. So, thank you guys for watching. I think that's the end of my vlog. So, I hope you guys enjoy watching me unbox those gifts, because I myself really enjoyed unboxing gifts. Sana birthday ko na ulit bukas or next month, kasi gusto ko na naman ulit mag-unbox ng mga gifts. Oh my gosh. So, ayun na nga. Hanggang dito na lang po, mga tropa. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Muli ako ang inyong tropang Andy. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for you to be updated on my next upcoming upload!